Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. I'm going to be making this video over a few days because I am changing out my seats. I finally found some seats from a guy that took it out of his Nissan Champ. So now I just need to fit these into mine, and I will have to make up some brackets or weld some brackets to the plates on the seat to make them fit. So let's get to it. As you can see, I already took out my bench seat. Just put this one in place. It is still loose and wonky and so on. You see, so I just have to take out the handbrake, put it there on the existing 2 single seat handbrake spot. Then I can start measuring out with these. Should mount up. There's another one over there in the back, and then the 4th one is in the back corner there, but that one I'll need to make a bracket for. So let me relocate the handbrake. This one's going to be tricky because it broke off, so I put a plate from the bottom and made a plan to get this to work. So let me see if I can get this off quick. Don't know how I'm going to do it. It's going to be tricky. There you have it. The brake is off. Now I just need to mount it up there, but the cable there is a little bit too long. So I'm going to take the cable off for now. You do get the shorter cable for the center mounted handbrake, so I'll just need to get one of those. This cable just pops off from here. Pull off that locking washer there, push this pin out, the cable will come out. Then I can mount this up, get the short handbrake and get the shorter handbrake cable and get it in. Yeah, this cable is gone anyway, so I need to replace it either way. So let me get that done, take it from there. So I use this screwdriver and I pried it off here. Probably not the best idea because it just launched into a different dimension and I've got no idea where it is. I heard it fall there somewhere. No idea. I'll have to go find it. But yeah, anyway, this pin should just come out. Handbrake cable will come loose from the handle, and I'll mount that up so long. I will be putting in a hydraulic handbrake eventually. I first want to change out the gearbox to see where the new gearbox shifter location will be. Then I'll go to hydraulic handbrake. So let me get it done. So I just bolted the seat in here on the original bench seat spot on that one place. So over here I need to drill a hole, put some spaces underneath there. Then look from the other side. I will have to make a bracket that goes from here. Oops. That goes from here to here, or just a bracket that goes straight down and bolts onto the floor. And then the same with the back. I'll have to make up a bracket or weld it onto that plate that can go down to the floor. Drill a hole through the floor and then bolt it on there. So let me measure that stuff out, and then I'll get those plates or stuff welded up onto this plate at work with a welder, because I don't have a welder at home. Be doing some CAD, cardboard aided design. She's gonna bolt in there, sit like this, and then bolt onto the transmission tunnel on this side. Easy. Now this one's gonna be pretty much the same design. It's just gonna be inverted from this. Here's the front bracket, same story. It will just sit there, bolt onto the transmission tunnel, and that should be it. Okay, so excuse the noise next door. So here's the brackets that I made. They work. I had the seat and I've driven around with it. I just took it out now so I can clean up this dusty mess. Then I have to cut out this bracket. It's where it holds the jack in place. I'm going to cut this off, get the second seat in, see whether the templates for those brackets will work on these ones, and then those I'll only be able to make them on Sunday. But that seat fits, so let me just wash the inside and get the seat back in. So here I just have water with car washing soap and sugar soap, which apparently is supposed to get all the dirt and stuff off, and just a plain old t-shirt rag. So I'm just going to use this, nothing special. Rinse out the rag properly, get as much of this stuff off as possible, and there is some rust over there, so I'm going to see if I can sand it down a bit and paint all this white stuff black. Let's get to it. that looks a whole lot better than that ugly dirty white. Now get that seat back in, cut that thing off, get this seat in place, and see whether everything works. First, it's going to give this a little bit of time to dry. Guys, so that seat is in. The handbrake is just laying there. Just excuse the kids playing next door. So I'm just going to cut this thing off quick and get that other seat in place and see how it sits and whether my templates for those brackets will work on this side. Let me get that thing cut off, get it out of the way, pop the seat in. Here we have the seat in place. This one's going to take a little bit more fab work to get everything done. So this whole this hole on the other side sits there. So I'll just drill a new hole, put a bolt and a nut on this side. Yeah, I'll build a straightforward L bracket. I might get away with a standard bracket because the stock mounting spot is there, so I might get away with a stock bracket from the other seat. And then on this side, it's going to be pretty much the same as that side. At the back, the front, it's just once again straightforward L bracket, and then the back I'll do the same as that. So I can remake one of those, drill a hole here, done, and then this one I'm going to try and get away with a stock bracket. And this seat is in. It looks pretty good. There you have it. Anyway, that's it. I'm going to get this thing sorted out off camera, otherwise this video is going to be way too long. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I hope the sun is not too bad behind me. Please like and subscribe, share this video with everyone, and until next time.